2017 Peterbilt 579, stock number 359257. Hey guys, we got another beauty here. Manual 10-speed. That is your MX-13, 455 horses. Air slide fifth wheel, fleet maintained truck. We got plenty of trucks like this. Check us out online at aaatrucksales.com. This truck's got freezing cold AC. This is a mid-roof truck. It's got 3/4 lockers in it, air suspension dump, CD player, 592,253 on your miles, power windows, locks and mirrors. I got a few more sitting out here that we are about to photograph in video. Guys, come check us out.